अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers, आप सबको आज़ादी मुबारक हो. This video is about the National Anthem of Pakistan, which is also called the Qawmi Taranam. It is a symbol of pride and patriotism for the country. Here are some lesser known facts about it. Composition and lyrics. The music for the National Anthem was composed by Ahmad Ghulam Ali Chagla in 1949, even before the lyrics were written. The lyrics were later penned by Hafiz Jalandhari in 1952. Number 2. Official adoption. The National Anthem was officially adopted on 13 August 1954, almost 7 years after Pakistan independence in 1947. Number 3. Language. The anthem's lyrics are written in a highly Persianized form of Urdu, with about 60% of the words being of Persian origin. This makes it one of the most linguistically unique anthems in the world. Number 4. Duration and length. The full anthem is 1 minute and 20 seconds long and consists of 15 lines with a total of 49 words. Number 5. Unique history. The anthem was played for the first time on Radio Pakistan on 13 August 1954, just before the start of the day's programming. It was later played on television when PTV was launched in 1964. 6. Music recording. The anthem's music was recorded by the Pakistan Navy Band in 1954, and it was later re-recorded in 1971 by a team of 17 singers, including notable names like Ahmad Rushdie, Mehdi Hasan, and Naseem Begum. 7. Significance of the lyrics. The lyrics emphasizes the importance of faith, unity, and discipline, echoing the vision of Pakistan's founder, Quwat-e-Azm Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Number 8. Controversy over lyrics. There were some debates over the selection of the anthem's lyrics, with many poets submitting their work. Hafiz Jalandhari lyrics were ultimately chosen for their deep meaning and poetic quality. Number 9. Inclusion of diversity. The anthem reflects Pakistan's diverse cultural heritage by incorporating elements of Persian, Arabic, and Turkish language and culture, signifying the unity of the nation. Number 10. Recordings and the renditions. Over the years, the anthem had been performed by numerous artists and orchestras worldwide. The anthem has also been re-recorded several times, with the latest version be done in 2021 with 155 singers to mark Pakistan's 75th Independence Day. These facts showcase the rich history and cultural significance of Pakistan's national anthem. I hope you will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye. And once again, Happy Independence Day.